I have to fix this. I have to fix this. So hello. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Lacey. So today I am ratchet as hell, but I also got some pretty eyeballs going on. So today I'm gonna do a recreation look. You guys will see what look I am recreating here in just a moment. I will show you once we start, but I do want to say that I am doing a more beginner friendly, also take less time kind of side. That is why there is not as much on this side. And then I'm doing a more expertise level, if you will. No, just somebody that has a little more experience with makeup on this side, and then obviously somebody that wants to do colorful looks but is not ready for all this. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got both of these looks, please just keep watching this video. Also, if you are new here, I would appreciate it if you take a moment to subscribe. Thank you in advance. Make sure you guys like this video, because I really kind of want to start doing these a little bit more. I do like recreating looks. I usually just do them and then take pictures of it and put it on Instagram. So I would like to film these a little bit more, because I feel like when I post on Instagram, you guys don't really get to see nothing behind the scenes kind of ordeal. And it's a lot of makeup that I'm just doing just to take right back off. At least I can share it with you guys. There is a beauty room tour coming. As you guys can see, there is a new background. So this is obviously very different than what you guys are used to. So let me know what you guys are kind of interested in about how this is set up. Do you guys want to see setup? Do you just want to see a general tour? Do you want to see my makeup collection, or a little bit of everything? Just let me know down in the comments. Anyways guys, without further ado, I'm gonna stop rambling now, because this is a stupid ass long intro. And yeah, so let's just go ahead and jump on into this look. I had some serious wild beasts to tame. These eyebrows. Okay, so now that I'm looking a little fleeky, let's go ahead and jump into this. My P. Louise base, because it never does me wrong. So I'm just gonna squirty squirt some onto my balls. And I'm gonna take my BH Cosmetics 102 brush, what I normally use to put my base on, and I'm just gonna pat that in. I'm gonna tap, not swipe. Well, I mean, I will swipe and tap, but mainly tapping to really set that base. Okay, so if you look at her picture, she ombres it from yellow, a little tiny bit of orange, pink to purple to blue, but she uses like very soft pastel-y color. So now that we're looking cray, let's get into this. I permanently look crazy, so I'm gonna take my Everything You Need palette by Beauty Bay. First, we're going to start with Hello Sunshine. She just keeps the yellow like really tight in the inner corner. Okay, and then like if you look, there's just a tiny bit of orange. Since it's such a faint orange, I think I'm gonna take Popsicle from the Lost Flamingo palette, and I'm just using this M431 brush by Morphe, and I'm just gonna place that right next to it. And then her pink is pretty like bright pink, so I think I'm gonna take Cosmopolitan, this pink right here, and if that doesn't work, I'll take Tutu, which is this shade right here. I'm just gonna pack everything on first. and then go in and blend it out. And then we are going to go into the purple, which is Living for Lavender. And lastly, I'm going to take a mixture of Daydream and Paradise, these two blue shades right here. And we are just going to keep going, okay? And we're going to pack that. That's what he said. So I'm going to grab a clean brush, and this is a JH40 brush. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start out here, and I'm just going to start blending the edges of each color. So now I'm just blending upwards, blending all the colors upwards to give them a seamless blend. I am dipping in, but I'm barely dipping into each color. And then I'm just wiping my brush off and going straight into the next one. I want to focus on not only blending upward, but blending the shades together seamlessly, like they are down here. Okay, so now we're going to take our P. Louise base and we are going to cut the crease. So we're going to go back in with our base. If you have not seen my how to cut your crease video and you want some good tips and tricks, make sure you guys go ahead and check out the iCard that I think comes up right here. I'm not 100% sure, but I will put it in right now. Okay, so I know that they look a little different, but I'm going to do more on this eye. So I wasn't as concerned about this eye and how even it was and how clean the lines were. However, with this eye I was. So I'm just going to pick up a big fluffy brush and I'm going to go in with White Lies, and it's just a matte white shade. She used more of like a nude kind of shade, so whatever you want to use. So we're going to go back into our blue shade. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take that and I'm just going to start buffing that inwards onto the lid. Not super far though, just a little bit. And then we're going to go into the purple shade and put that right next to it. So I'm going to dig out my Suva Beauty Hydro Liners. I have Dance Party and Sea Nymph. And we're going to start with Sea Nymph. And I've got a bottle of water here. It's just a squirt bottle. What I like to do is I just take this color switch lid, and I just get like, I can't turn it, but it's just like a drop of water. Mind you, we're not gonna mind my hair. And we're gonna grab this little itty bitty tiny brush. This is a Princeton Summit 6850R brush. This is a paintbrush. So I just dip into the water and saturate my brush, and then I take my hydroliner and I just swipe it around in there just to get some liquid. I do this a few times just to get it nice and saturated, as you can see. And now that my brush is coated, we're gonna start. So let's hold our breath and pray this turns out. And that's that. So now it seems as if she's got 2 double lines of liner. Make sure you are completely satisfied with the way this looks out here before you start this one. So if you feel that it needs any more blending or needs touched up, go ahead and do that now, because after this step you're not going to want to go back. So I cleaned everything up how I want it, and now I'm gonna take this brush, which is just a little bit bigger than the last one, and I'm taking some more base on the back of my hand, and I'm gonna saturate my brush, and I'm gonna draw like I would some winged eyeliner. So I was unaware that my camera had died. Anyways, you can see that I have the wing on. This is not all we're doing, so I can't tell in the picture if they're all mattes, all shimmers, all what, but the middle shade, the blue especially, is a shimmer, I'm pretty sure. So I'm gonna start by taking this shade Bikini from the Violet Voss Flamingo palette, and I'm gonna take that on this Morphe PK4 brush. You wanna keep this as close to your lash line as possible. And I'm just gonna keep using this brush. And I'm gonna take a mixture of Surf and Tidal Wave. And then lastly, I'm gonna go into Oasis from the Everything You Need palette. Okay, so one more time we're going to go back in with our concealer, or our base, with as even of a pressure as possible. Make a line. We're just going to outline what we just did, just on the outer part though. So we're going to get out our Dance Party hydroliner. I'm having the worst time right now, seriously. Anyways, my camera died again. So I just took the yellow hydroliner and I just took it and made a line right above that, and I blended it into this base. So I didn't take it all the way out. Can anybody recommend eyelash curlers that do not rip out your eyelashes? Oh, that hurts. I'm going to take my favorite lashes at the moment. These are the Marquise lashes by Allure. These need wash, don't touch me. I just want to show you guys lashes. No lashes. So now we're going to go ahead and do underneath the eyes. It just looks like she did a purple and it fades into pink. So we're just going to do that. We're just going to go back in with this little tiny brush and start with the purple. I'm taking the same brush, we're gonna go in with that pink shade we used. And then taking our blending brush and just blending it all together. I'm gonna take pineapple again, and I'm gonna dip into this, and I'm gonna put it as my brow bone and my inner corner highlight. And now I've decided that that's too yellow for brow bone, so I'm going to take this exposed highlight by Tarte and put that on my brow bone. Don't forget to do your bottom eyelashes. Alright, I know I look crazy as hell, I got tie-dye eyeballs, and yeah. So anyways guys, this is it for this look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this. I know this isn't the most wearable look, but like I said, I like the fact that there's like an intermediate look and then there's like this, you know, like complicated ass shit. But I will tell you, like, I really like both of these. No regrets, okay? I like doing recreation looks. I really enjoy them. I get a lot of inspiration from people. So if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and I will try to do more of these videos. Also, do you like the fact that I did a more subtle version of this and then, you know, the actual recreation on this eye? It takes a long time to do this, so you know, a lot of times people don't have the time. If you just do this eye, you're gonna cut your time in half. So, and it looks just as beautiful. So anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you guys like these kind of videos and like when I do tutorials, my camera's sitting sideways and it's driving me insane. The background looks crooked. And also, if you guys would, comment down below. Do you guys like neutral looks? Do you like glam looks? Do you like colorful looks? What do you guys like? What's your favorite kind of eyeshadow look? Let me know down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Bye!